Wow! Wow!
Afternoon, Rock Nation! I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Kasama ko ngayon sa clinic si...
Josec Rojas.
Yun. Ilan mo na tong session?
Parang pang-5 na nata, pang-4.
Pang-4. Kamusta naman so far? Yung 1 hanggang 3.
Talagang malaking ginhawa. Simula yung umpisa natin na hindi ko mataas halos yung kamay ko. So ngayon, parang everything is feeling better. Kailangan na lang i-continuous yung yung sessions. Actually ngayon, medyo nagkaroon ako minor sprain kaya gustong-gusto ko nang bumalik. Parang naglaro ako nung last week dito, tsaka na-twist ko yung hip ko, medyo sumakit. Sabi ko, sakto.
Tingnan natin lahat, no? Physical test. Sige, posture up, tingin sa left, tingin sa right. Masikip ba? Wala naman.
Ditong sa right, I think.
Okay. Yep, very good. Okay pa rin dito. Yung tingala. Any tension?
Wala naman.
Good. Kamusta yung shoulders mo? Maluwag naman?
Maluwag.
Very good.
Maluwag.
Okay.
At saka continuous din ng stretching ko.
Very good.
Kung ano yung in-advise mo sa amin noon after ng mga sessions, stretching. So, tuloy-tuloy naman.
Magiging routine mo na siya?
Nagiging routine.
Nice.
Nandito may masikip.
Right here. Okay. Dito yung
Yun, tumunog na. Tight. Yan, dito yan.
Yes.
Tight na dun.
Kamusta yan?
Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Good. May wala yung kaluluwa ko dun.
Okay.
Ayun, nagtutunugan
Very good.
Gumaan.
Nice one.
Yeah,
See,
mas magaan.
yung rotation?
Oo.
Yan. Mas loose, kumbaga.
Right.
Nothing more. Good. Nothing. Good. Nice.
Wow.
Very good. Nothing more.
Oh, wow.
Good.
Whoa. Whoa.
So, nothing more. Clear. Nice
Whoa.
one. Nice. Nice.
Oh, wow. Oh. Wow. Wow.
Nothing.
Alam mo, mama, yung parang G.I. Joe na laruan. Yung mga laruan namin nung bata. Pag na-misalign, parang binabalik ni Aster. Parang ganon.
Parang ikaw yun. Very clear.
Yun, no?
Nothing more. Kamusta to?
Nice, no?
Very good. Stretching is very important talaga. Okay, para ma-maintain natin at hindi magkaroon ng tightness and pain doon sa mga muscles natin. Kamusta yon?
Okay lang.
Very good. Here.
Okay naman.
Nice.
Okay din.
Here.
Yeah.
And here.
Yeah.
Very good.
Wow! Masarap! Wow!
Mas malalim. Nice. Good. Nice one. Nothing more.
Wow!
Nothing more. Very good. Kasa.
Narinig ko na lahat.
Good afternoon again. We're done with Brother Josec. Kamusta yung fourth session natin?
Sobrang sarap. Mas mas maluwag na lahat. Tapos, parang binabalik mo nga yung tamang positioning ng mga buto ko. Ramdam na ramdam ko eh.
Good.
Nakakatanggal talaga ng stress.
Nice. Mas lumuwag yung pakiramdam mo.
Oo, load ng pakiramdam ko. Gusto ko nang matulog. Sobrang relaxed ko, promise.
Thank you so much for trusting again. Okay?
Thank you.
Yan.
Thank you.